See, so now people ask me how to acquire these effective communication skills, right? So, see, I'll tell you how to acquire whatever I know, but see, the quality of your life, the success or your progress, everything depends on the communication. Trust me, this is the only tool which will take your idea to any level, which will take to your growth or progress, at any level. So this is the must. And now I'll just give you a background why I started, learning or just focusing on the communication skills. See, a few years back, I was very short tempered. This is a story, real fact. Even some time ago, I have shared with Ishraddha ma'am also. So I was very short tempered and I lost many opportunities just because of my poor communication. I was just reactive. I was not responding. I was not understanding. I lost many opportunities, many things in my life. Maybe I could say maybe 10 years back, my perception or the talking way or understanding others, thought process was entirely different. So I was just not understanding the things. I was just replying because I have to reply. So I was just reacting, not responding. The moment I started responding after attending such workshops, it changed. It changed my perception also. It brought many kind of opportunities to my table. So then I started realizing, sometime back, I have thought to write a book on the communication, but I didn't dare. The reason is this is most complex subject, most debatable subject. I can't write immediately on this. So this changed my life actually. So communication, the right communication at the right forum, what kind of communication you need to do is very important. It will bring a lot of opportunities. People start admiring you. What a person, yeah, how well he communicates. He's very cool. He's very calm. So see, you might have heard because I know most of people are, loves cricket also. So like many people call Mr. Cool. Why we call him Mr. Cool? Because he never react to the situation. He responds to the situation on own, real time. So this is the best example. Lot of companies, corporates, they invite Dhoni for some, inspirational session on the communication or how to remain the cool or calm. So just remaining cool and calm and then delivering, whatever is required is also kind of communication. Your body language is also communication. Everybody is watching you, right? So how can you become such a good communicator, whether it's a body language, whether it's a verbal, whether it's a non-verbal, it's very important. It makes a lot of difference in your life. Trust me, friends, if you can learn the art of communication, at least 2%, right? It will make a drastic changes in your life, right? So this is the thing. It'll change your life. It will change your entire life. Even I am feeling nowadays, last maybe 6 7 years, it changed my life. It has given me a lot of opportunities. A lot of people wants to talk to me. They started trusting on me in the sense, oh, this person, oh, if this person has told something, definitely he'll do. I'm not appreciating myself. See, I compare my previous thought process and the current thought process. So normally before after. So before 10 years back, maybe I was not a good communicator. Now and it never comes in a just days or in a months. It takes time because it should become a habit to you, right? Then only you'll start flourishing in your life. See, I just take a good example. Why a person, suppose a person who's a leader, who's a great leader. Why he is a great leader? Because he knows how to communicate. He knows how to persuade the audience, how to exchange my thoughts with audience, what audience needs, what people needs from me. So this is the this is the only tool which every entrepreneur, every leader, every CEO, every head of any department should know. Even you should practice the same thing in your life also, professional life and the personal life. So this is very important tool. Trust me, it will change your life. I am focusing on this slide because this is something amazing. People will not understand, and I also make sure this kind of workshop you'll not be able to attend anywhere else. I'm not challenging to anyone because it has lot of insights from the corporates. It has a lot of insights from the experts, and then only I have prepared it. So you can change your life, whatever, even your idea is poor, but your communication is strong, it will still works. People will come, they'll try to talk to you, they'll give some positive feedbacks about ideas. You can correct the ideas, and then further you can build on this. So hope it's good. It's you are able to understand, or you are able to digest what I am trying to say. It's not theoretical, it's really practical. Hope you people are enjoying it, right?
Yes, sir.
Great. So I'll proceed. I just need your feedback because, say it gives me a motivation that, okay, you are listening, or it's not just any theoretical session going on. So just if you would say yes, then it would be okay for me. Yeah. And if any issue in between, you can raise the question. You can ask me. Now the question is that, from where we can, learn the good communication. So this is also one fact. No school will teach you how to sell, how to think, how to negotiate, how to face failure, how to invest money, how to find your passion, how to make an impact, how to start a business, and finally, how to communicate well. Trust me, friends, no school will teach you, no school. How it comes to you? It comes by virtue of your experiences. I would rate the virtue of experiences almost 70%. You learn from the experiences. I have learned from the experiences that if I am not a good communicator, I would be losing the opportunities. Of course, it comes by reading few books, out of syllabus books. You can buy so many books. I'll recommend in the last, few books, 7 C's of the communication and all. So no issues on that. But trust me, no school will teach you these things. I'm not blaming on the schools. I am not saying, see, this is what you have to learn from the experience. Can anybody tell you how to think? This is all. One person is thinking to start his own startup. One person is thinking to start preparing for some exam, some entrance exam. Why it happens? By virtue of our experiences, or virtue of, our society. So the all communication comes from your experiences. I would rate it 70%. Whatever you have faced in the past, you would try to apply same, or whatever kind of society, what kind of society you have seen in the past, you will learn from that, right? And reading books, I would say it would be 10%. By attending workshops, it will make impact of maybe 10%. By going through some case studies, case studies means what happened wrong to. Case study could be of your friend also, case study could be of any corporates also. Why this company went down, why this person has gone up. You have heard, so many times, right? यार ये बंदा बहुत अच्छा बोलता है यार, इसका तो कोई काम रुकता ही नहीं है, right? So why it happens? Because when you know how to communicate, where to pitch your idea, in what fashion, your work will not stop. So this communication, nobody will teach you. Trust me, it will not come by just reading some books. It will 70% will comes from your experiences, whether it's a corporate experiences, whether it's a personal experiences. Sometimes we try to copy the people who are good communicators. Why? Because we get impressed what a communication this person is having. The moment he puts step by step, he approaches, and just he put his point, and finally he attracts the person in terms of investment, in terms of approving any thought or any idea or any project. So this is all art. This art will come only with the experience. You can read the books, you can attend workshops like I am delivering, but your experience is the most real teacher